To install LockDown browser to a Mac computer, start any web browser and go to the unique download link provided to your institution. When you first see this web page, you might want to review the brief video on the left, which explains the basic features of LockDown browser and why your institution is requiring it for your exams. After viewing the video, click the Install Now button. The browser will start the download to your computer. Once the file has downloaded, go to the Downloads folder to start the LockDown browser installer. Allow the program to run and click Continue. You will then be prompted to accept the license agreement. Click Continue and Agree, and then choose Install for all users of this computer. Then click Install. Enter your administrator password for your computer as required to install the software. When the installation is successful, you can click Close and either keep the installer file or move it to the trash. The LockDown browser app will be in the Applications folder. Depending on your institution's learning system, you might be instructed to manually start the browser, or you can launch LockDown browser automatically from a standard browser to start your test.